right in here, please.
Yeah. The group. We're white. So we follow.
Red wristband. I need you in this corral. Red wristband. You guys? You got kids. And what do we have? White wristbands. That's fine. So if you'll hang tight right here in this area, when red goes or yellow goes out, then you'll backfill right in front. Okay? It's all good. Tell this gentleman, you'll see him sit there and then level it out. Brutally honest, I'm going to be your pilot upstart. We're going to go very easy, very gentle. We want you to have fun. We want you to see the area. Can't help you because everybody else here died, but I can promise you he's not going to shoot at you today. So you're good check. We won't be able to do that. 30 minutes. But we'll have fun.
It'll go quick.
All right. So I know we're going to put you in the gunner's well on the side so we can scan you.
Remember, oh, that one was here last year. Remember, one year, I think it was last year, almost a year before, about the time we were leaving, this plane went up, and it had this person that walked across the top of the wings of the airplane, and we turned around and watched. They were supposed to do it earlier in the day, but the wind was too bad, and they were never do it. Not here, because there was another AIRSHOW somewhere else.
Thanks again for your donation, guys. You can't do it without you. Greatly appreciate it. We're on flight museum, as you know. The aircraft you're flying in today is a combat veteran aircraft. A lot of the world experts have never seen the bullet fired in anger, quite frankly, because their data plates redone or post-production and shut down. These birds actually flew in Vietnam. So at the end of the day, sitting here
I stopped counting like 10,000 or something like that. A lot of currently IT instructor
with the white group. Number 3 on your wristband. Check for 3. You got a pink band. You can listen, but this is the one I'm talking about. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10. Check. If you got a wristband with a floor on it, I don't know what color, pink, if you move over here. 2, 3, and you can be up there. Right there, right there. Come on in. Pink 4, just move over here. And I can chat with you guys. We're the Army Aviation Heritage Foundation based out of Atlanta, Georgia. We're a 501c3 operation. non-profit, so all the money goes right back into the organization. We have one full-time employee, actually two. One is here, and he's the A&P mechanic, the other is administrative director. Okay? I would ask at the end of the day you go to our website, armyav.org, aviation, it's on the side of our trailer. If you wouldn't mind, go to our website, bring up the website, click on logbook, and put any comments in you think are appropriate. Good, bad, or indifferent. Let us know how we're doing, what would you would add, subtract, and so on and so forth. Okay, I'm going to cover a couple of mandatory floor items for the FAA. First being, and I know just like the airlines, you're going to forget most of it, but that's fine. First one is emergency exit. We fly doors open, big opening on either side. Is your exit for a scheduled or unscheduled landing. Okay. Next item is we have 4 first aid kits mounted on the bulkhead between the cabin and the cockpit. Fire extinguisher sits on the floor next to the pilot seat, right seat or left seat as you approach the aircraft. The last item is seat belts. For the adults, military style seat belt. Military style seat belt, a little cumbersome. That's just the way the military builds stuff. Slide it in, click it down. All right, release it, pop it up. In, down. It's gonna be in your lap, upside down. It's gonna look like an alien. Don't worry about it. If you're struggling with it, our people will do it for you. And they may come up and tell you raise your hands. It's noisy. Just go like that. All they're doing is have you put your hands out of the way so they'll do it for you. And then my LZ manager will go around and check everybody's seatbelt. Most important thing we do, you're attached to the aircraft when the aircraft breaks ground. For the little guys and gals, airline type seatbelt, okay? Slide it in, cinch it down, nothing out of the ordinary. They're blue in color, located so that they are either between or next to adults. Sometimes we micromanage the seating arrangement to be sure that they're in a seatbelt, a blue seatbelt. Okay? That takes care of the FAA stuff. A little bit about helicopter operations. Always approach and depart the aircraft from the nose so the pilot can see you. In the unlikely event he's getting ready to take off and you get bumped or whatever. The other reason, keep you away from the tail rotor. You don't want to walk in the tail rotor. Bad day for everyone. A lot of paperwork, cancel Christmas, probably cancel Thanksgiving, more paperwork, so stay away from the tail. And that's why we keep the aircraft orientated to the front. We'll walk you to and from the aircraft. Loose articles, no hats, that's your no-go. We got to move that table, so we're going to move it out here, but that's fine. We got a person belonging bins over there. You can put your hat there, you can stick it in your shirt, pocketbook, whatever you want to do, but you can't wear it out there once you get on the flight. It won't stay on your head. Cameras, if you have it, and this should probably stay too. We'll put it right here in the chair, it'll be here when you get back. Cameras, if you got a camera with a lanyard, that's great. If you don't, if you're using a smartphone, you're responsible for it. If it leaves you into the aircraft, we are not going back for it, okay? So anything that leaves you or the aircraft, we're not going back. Check? Check. All right, loose articles, the FAA, helicopter operations, questions. Okay.
Do not chew them until after the flight. They look like bubblegum.
Thank you.
Okay. Everybody's got it. Okay, so I'm going to do seating arrangements now. I got 10 on this group, so I need 4 people sitting in the gunner's well, 2 on either side. You'll be next to each other, right where the gun well is. 2, perfect.
That's on the outside, right?
Yeah.
Yes? Yeah. Okay. All right, gunners lead the way if you come out here. The other 2 gunners out here. Step on this side, step on that side.
Gunners? We'll take the gunners.
It's not for your hikes today.
You see my employer just came in. They have an airline window.
He'll get on first, second, you're on third, you're on fourth in this group. Okay, you jump on. Thank you. All righty. And just hang here until that kind of group moves up, and then we'll move you up.
Yeah. We're gonna go after them. course. Oh, he must like the shirt.
Came to me first.
Follow me. Stay in line, please. Follow him. Follow me.
Follow you.
Right here.
Right here.
So the aircraft arrives. Left on the road.
Okay.
You gotta get behind.
Oh, behind you.
When the aircraft arrives, it's going to land. We'll let it get the steps up there. Start
Part is good because it helps the time go by.
Yeah.
Before you know it, by the time we get back, we get something to eat, it's time for the show to start.
Yeah.
You go get what you want and I'll find something when I want.
No, you go get your stuff first. And then...
I don't know. What you got?
I'll just be set up for any old thing.
I know, but I ain't gonna settle for anything. I'm gonna search.
I didn't